Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to connect the Hollyland mic to PC laptop, wireless microphone setup and audio setting. Step 1, connect using the USB receiver. So turn on both the microphone transmitter and the receiver, TX and RX, and make sure the transmitters and receiver are paired. Most Hollyland microphones repair automatically when powered on. Then connect the receiver to the PC or laptop using the supplied USB-C cable or USB adapter. Now wait a few seconds for Windows or Mac OS to recognize the microphone. Open your computer sound settings and select the Hollyland receiver as the default input device. Then test the microphone by speaking into it and checking the input level meter. Step 2, set Hollyland mic as the default microphone for Windows users only. So press Windows plus I and open the setting. Then after go to System plus Sound. Now under Input, you can select your Hollyland microphone receiver and speak into the microphone and confirm that the input volume bars move. Then increase the input volume if necessary and then set it. Now step 3, set Hollyland mic as default microphone for Mac users. So open System Settings, then click on Sound. Now click the Input tab and choose the Hollyland receiver from the device list. Now adjust the input volume and test the microphone. The step 4, test the microphone. So open voice recorder, Windows or the QuickTime player for Mac, record a short audio clip and play it back to confirm that the microphone is working properly. Goodbye and thanks for watching.